This is single selection basically.
That's correct.
Yeah. So here I can go and modify my part number and select a different part number and make the changes accordingly. And let me save this details. So this will update the BOM structure. If you can see, the part number has been modified to 1049600. So I can go and delete any part within the component assembly part. So if I delete this particular part item, it's deleted, and the item number is regenerated sequentially with a difference of 5.
Okay, looks good.
Okay. And you had mentioned one issue, like I'll just pull your mail. Yeah, in the video you showed how the attributes were now being pulled into the form, but watching in the case, okay, I'll go to this particular IC part number 100222404. Okay. So 1023811. Yeah, in this particular part we have subcomponent 000285.
Right.
Yeah, you mean the manufacturing information, associated files, and XREF is not getting loaded, but you were able to validate invisibility, right?
Yeah.
I did go and query in the visibility for this particular IC part number and component part. I was not able to fetch the records from the queries. Just a minute, let me pull. Sorry. So this query is not returning any result, so that's the reason you're not able to see any records for manufacturing info. If I go and pull the drawing file spec on this query, I don't find any result as well. And also, if I try to pull the associated file, and one more thing is, yeah, manufacturing XREF from this particular table. Yeah, I don't get any data from Visib as well.
Yeah, I really need to, it's going to launch BOM loader and see what it showed me.
Okay. I'm pointing to the test with data source.
Yeah, you're on test, right?
Yeah.
So I would think they're the same. We just refreshed test a few weeks ago, and that's an older part, so should be the same.
Okay.
Yeah, but when I was watching the video,
yeah,
the item, let's see, which one was it? The piece information wasn't showing up.
piece
on that
information.
part. Yeah, number of pieces and the length and width.
Okay.
So I don't know whether it was just during the video and now it's working, but it was just in the video and I was watching it.
Okay. Anyways, I will double check once and validate one more time with all the piece information details. Okay. And you had also mentioned about like inserting a new item in the BOM tree structure. So I just wanted to have a discussion and try to understand more on that.
Okay.
Directly. Yeah. Say for example, this is the entry point that is 1075442. So here I have enabled insert an item. So I need to still start coding on that. So this will the thought process in my mind on this requirement understanding is, let me know if I'm correct or wrong. So once I click on new insert a new item in this particular piece information and the assembly information, the system will generate the item number automatically, and user has to key in the part by searching the part number or by part description and provide all the information. And once they click on save, it will create one more part within this assembly part.
Yes.
That is what the expectation is, or
yes, and it may insert many parts also. It's the same. I mean, it's the same as the duplicate. If you duplicate a part with a tree, it's going to duplicate that tree, right?
Yeah.
So you'll have the same. Once you figure that how to do that out, you'll have the same need for the create part. Because if you select a part that's got children, it should insert those children with the part.
Okay. Say, for example, this particular item, if I say insert a new item, this will create just under this particular part, or it will be in the same level of that particular part.
If I insert an item to that, it's going to be below that part.
So it becomes a child of that particular element.
Right. If I want to insert it at the top level, then I need to click on the top part. And then it will become a part on the same level as each of those.
Okay. Okay, so it will be single part at a time.
Yes.
Okay.
A single part, unless it's an assembly, and then it'll insert a single part with its children.
But when I say insert an item, here I'll be selecting I'll not be selecting the assembly part, right? It will be component part. So how do I identify whether it's assembly part or component part, and create all the elements, the child elements?
I don't understand the question.
No, what I'm saying is, if I try to insert a new item and want to insert assembly part, how will the system identify? Because here I'll be entering the part number, component part number.
Yep.
So if I try to search, say for example, 1022404. So this is an assembly basically. So all the elements below that assembly should be created, is what you are trying to say, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, got it. So it basically works similar to copying an item or a duplicate item.
Yes. Similar to duplicating an item.
Yes.
Very similar. It's just rather than copying that part, you're going to be finding a part to put in.
Yeah, got it.
But the functionality should be very similar in as far as the way it's done.
Okay. Sure. So that's the progress for this week, David Wosley, and I think I've got all the answers for my question regarding the insertion of new item.
Okay.
If anything comes during the development, I'll definitely get in touch with David Poley for any further clarifications.
Good. Okay.
Do you have any feedback on search by S1 number, David Poley? Please do let me know.
On the form, we probably want to add line number.
Okay, in this particular column, drop down.
Yeah, so you got sales order number, and then it's part number, and then description, and then drawing number. Between sales order number and part number, we probably need to put line number.
Okay.
And this will be pulled off the SO lines.
SO lines. Okay.
And I think it's line no alt or something like that.
S underscore O line. Okay. S underscore O line.
Yep. There's like a line no alt or something like that on there.
Line number underscore alt. Yeah. ALT.
Yeah,
got it.
that's the field.
Okay. Sure. I'll add that column. Anything apart from that?
Nope.
Okay.
Good.
Great. Thank you.
Okay, looks good. Naga, what we talked about the 2 weeks from today being the 25th being when we'll have everything done and tested, and then a couple days of kind of hardening for any feedback from John Zink. Are we still feeling good about that?
I think I need 1 more week of time because new insertion of new item is one thing which was not there in our previous call when I gave the dates of the completion. So probably we'll have to extend by 1 week to accommodate that requirement, as well as the other pending items for the sprint. Say export to visibility. Then we have reports in a PDF format. So those two are the major functionalities that is pending. I think, okay, anyways, I'll try to complete it by March 25th. If not, maybe I need 1 more week of time.
Well, and we can talk, Naga, about getting on the reporting and the PDF stuff, somebody on our side to help out with that as well. So
cool, that would be great actually.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, I know David, you were talking about wanting that after the 25th, that being available for internal John Zink review and stuff like that. So that's what we're shooting for.
Good.
Okay, anything else? If not, we'll end the call, and we'll probably have some questions during the week. We'll email you guys on, and any good feedback will be great. So
okay, trying to make it quick for you.
Okay, thanks guys.
All right,
All right.
thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you, everyone.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.